your dumb ass got to go in the skill house in a minute and cut somebody off like that, like a dummy.
I hear you down there on 4th Morgan.
Well, why ain't sitting down here anyway, you slow ass truck?
Oh, I'm running 70. I'm on my way home. That's why I'm in a hurry.
Yeah, me too.
Let's get down there.
Asshole. What you gonna do now?
I should run that bitch. I'm trying to run behind you. Get on up there.
What you gonna do now, asshole? What you gonna do? No, fuck this ass. You got a scale house coming up. You know what you're fixing to do? Get your ass right back in behind me.
I'm cool with that, bro. Let's just hurry up and get home. That's all I'm trying to do.
Well, you got a damn speed limit. You got a speed limit. And I think about 7 or 8 over speed limit's alright, but you want to cut somebody off and get around the four-wheeler, man. You want to be an idiot.
Man, you saw me trying to get around that truck, dude. Like, come on.
I ain't see you do shit but cut me off like a dumbass. That's what I need. You need to learn how to damn drive. What's that, Dart Transit? Yeah, it's probably your truck too, ain't it?
I don't pay for the trailer to tractor mine, though. You can hit that bitch back there if you want to. That's your job, not mine.
I ain't hitting shit. I got you on dash cam. I got you on 2 dash cams right now. Everything is documented. You get your ass right back in behind. Or you can go by the scale.
Okay, then.
One dumb son of a bitch, boy, I swear. Driving a damn truck like an idiot, like in a damn four-wheeler or something. Like you just started driving. What, you just graduated school, truck driver training school or something? Blow by that scale. Let that trooper right there. I hope he nails your dumb ass. Yeah, here it comes. He finna get him. He finna get him. I thought he was. He's going to get him too. Ah, he's going to get him. Oh my God. I'm sorry. Driver, you might well pull over. Oh my God. That is so hilarious. He trying to get home and they're gonna blow by the scale house trying to be an asshole. And there you go. Now you can pay that ticket. what I tell you, he get his ass back in behind me. Go by them scales. That's his choice. He blew by the scales at the wrong time, because that trooper had just got done with that truck and was sitting there, and he hauled ass out there. Yeah. Love it when a plan comes together. Now you want me to stop and show him the dash cam? Now you want me to stop and show him the dash cam, but you cutting me off or what? Nope. Damn right it was illegal. Damn right it was illegal. I had to slam on brakes to keep from him hitting the front end of my truck. He blaming me for it though. When I went by, I just waved at him and the trooper.